Today I'm going to show you how I used Rizos curls to go from this to this using these. I started off with the help of my boyfriend and we used the apple cider vinegar wash because it had been a bit since I shampooed my hair, and followed up with the deep conditioner, starting at the ends and working our way up and then brushing it all the way through. Here's me with my hair looking nice and clean. I like to start off by sectioning my hair in a half up, half down, and I'm going to first go in with the Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream, working it from roots to ends, making sure I get every little hair so it's nice and hydrated. I mean, look at those curls. Repeat the same process to the front of the hair. Next, I'm going to scrunch a little of the light hold gel in towards the ends. Last step before diffusing, I'm going to use the Waves Texturizing Spray. I'm going to add a lightweight hold and just give me lots of really good volume and texture. Next, I'll diffuse the hair, and once it's dry, I'll have a bit of a cast. So I'm just going to use the oil to break up any of that hardness and bring in the soft, fluffy curls. Look at these results. I mean, the product speaks for itself. My hair looks luscious, it's hydrated, it's defined. I just absolutely love it.